Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to switch between Google accounts in the Google Wallet app on your Android phone. So let's get started. First, start by launching the Google Wallet app from your home screen or app drawer. At the top right corner of the screen, tap on your profile icon and tap on this button, which opens a list of all Google accounts currently signed in on your device. Simply tap on the account you want to switch to. Google Wallet will refresh and display the cards and passes linked to that account. If you don't see the account you want, scroll down and tap Add another account. Follow the sign-in steps, and once added, it will appear in the switcher. And that's it. That's how to switch your Google Wallet account. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.